When you keep chicken, the first thing, you don't think that they will be so big and not fit in your house, and you think you have a very big house. That's exactly what we thought. Until today, 21 weeks later, we find that they are congested and we need to build a new house for them, or at least to reduce them. By good luck, we had this house that we had before that we only needed to do some renovations, and now we have moved 150 chicken into that little beautiful house. So this is our new chicken coop that we have moved 150 of our layers into, and they're very happy. It's a very beautiful house. Here they are. Let's look and see. Making a lot of noise, very happy. They're waiting for their lunch. This is very beautiful, just like we promised we'd show you the house. This is the house, and it's really, really nice, and they're very happy, and they're flying all over. So we are looking forward to very big eggs and very many eggs. Of course, we have very many eggs, but now they will be very big and very marketable. You're all welcome to come and buy your eggs, or you can ring us or SMS or WhatsApp so that we can sell you some eggs. We are selling at a very good price, and we have a lot of them. Welcome.